In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to untie just about any kind of knot. All right, let me put the phone down here. Hang on. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to grab this tool, and you can get this tool just about anywhere. And you want to take it just like this. All right, you see how I got my hand here? It's imperative that you hold the tool at this angle. And then you go at the knot, just like this. It's going to take a couple of tries, but if you see about 4 or 5 tries in, you'll be able to untie any knot, no matter how tight it is. Watch this. Here we go. Ready? 2, 3. See, it's already starting to loosen up. 4 and 5. There you go. And that is how you use this tool, which you can get just about anywhere, to untie any knot. Oh, was that down the whole time?